So you got yourself a new Nest thermostat and you set it at one temperature, left, came back, or you're sitting watching a movie and all of a sudden the whole thing turns off, or you came back home and the temperature was at a completely different temperature. What's
Welcome
going
back
on,
to
and
Kung
more
Fu Maintenance,
importantly,
where I
how do you
show
fix
you
it?
how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
Right at the subscribe button.
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released
You've got
for
one
you.
of these Nest thermostats and you keep setting the temperature down. You leave or you're sitting down doing something and all of a sudden the unit turns off.
And it's nowhere near your set temperature.
Maybe you're doing something prolonged, watching a movie, something like that. What's going on? Well, this thermostat, the Nest thermostat, has a special away feature. What you want to do is go into your menu setting, which is going to go all the way over until it rotates into the setting menu. Hit the button once and then scroll through until you see Home Away Assist. Push the button once and then you can either use it. So basically I think it has a motion sensor in it, and
Or a
so
noise
if it
sensor.
doesn't sense motion for a long time, it'll turn off. Now if you want to turn off that feature, you just want it to stay where you set it and forget it, then you'd hit stop using. Okay, and that's that. And if you wanted to turn it back on, you can use eco, but that's how the eco works. It's a home or away, so if no one was at home, the Nest didn't sense any movement, then it would turn the unit off. So just one of the features that's pretty cool with the Nest thermostat, but it can be annoying if you were not expecting that. So I'm done here, and that's that. That's the going back through there. You can see it again. Where did we go? It's got a ton of different features, but Home Away Assist. That's the Home Away Assist feature. This one, I'm going to scroll down to done, and we're all set. And now we can exit out of this. Done. If you live in a really hot area or a really cold area, if you had pets or something and you want to make sure your AC didn't turn off on them, that's how you would disable that setting. That way you don't come home to a cooked bird or, cooked cat, or vice versa, or you come home to a frozen bird or a frozen cat. Frozen dog, or cooked dog. All right, you get the idea.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos.